Hello. Hello everyone. So we meet again for the second topic today, that is the subject and the predicate. I hope you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, ELC MBA, because that's the only way where I get to know that you are enjoying and you're learning from whatever is being taught here. That's the only way how we can communicate, and you can let us know that you do like the updates that are being posted and you want more of them. Okay? So today, subject and predicate, a very simple topic. In any particular sentence, when we talk about some person or something, see, the rule is very simple. Okay? Any sentence that you talk about will essentially have a subject in it. You're bound to talk about some person or something. So any person or a thing that you talk about is the subject. But when you give details about that particular person or that particular thing, that happens to be the predicate. Let's quickly understand the definition. The subject is a person or a thing that you talk about, and when you say something, when you give details, okay, of that person or a thing, that happens to be the predicate. So the part which names the person or the thing is the subject. But the part that tells something about that subject is the predicate. You got it correct. Often the subject precedes the predicate. In some sentences, the subject itself would be missing as in it's hidden. You have to take it, you have to assume it to be there. For example, bring me water. Now, when I say bring me water, the subject is not present here. The hidden subject is you bring me water. Okay, so let us quickly take some practice examples. That's how my grammar sessions go ahead. I've taught you a concept, and then we understand whether the concept is fully understood by my audience. You have 5 seconds to solve these sentences. Keep your answers ready, and then I will discuss each one of them in detail. All you have to remember is that the subject is the person or the thing that I talk about. It could be a person or a thing that I talk about. And what is a predicate? The details about the person or the thing. Let's understand the first one. The earth revolves around the sun. The subject here is the earth. This is the subject. And revolves around the sun is the predicate. Birds are flying in the sky. The sentence is talking about birds. So birds are subject and are flying in the sky is the predicate. The man in the blue shirt is my uncle. In this sentence, please note the man, only the man is not the subject, because in the blue shirt, this is an additional part which is describing the subject. So the main subject is the man in blue shirt. This entire thing is the subject. Is my uncle is my predicate. Here comes the bus. Please understand the structure of this sentence. Such kind of sentences are called as inverted sentences. Now, why is it an inverted sentence? Because we've learned that the subject always precedes, right? Now, the subject always precedes the predicate. So, obviously, the bus should have been over here. But the common order of this sentence is, ideally, the sentence intends to say the bus comes here. And in this original sentence, the bus is the subject, comes here is the predicate. So yes, in this sentence, the subject happens to be the bus and comes here is the predicate. Same is sit down. Which sentence type is this? Sit down. What am I doing? I'm giving the command. Okay. To tell someone to do something is an imperative statement. So this sit down is an imperative statement. But in this sit down, I am implying you as a hidden subject. You sit down. And that is why you is the subject here and sit down is the predicate. I hope you are enjoying my grammar sessions, and very soon I'm going to upload Grammar Masterly Kit or VLC, where certain exercises on these most commonly asked and the most important topics of grammar will be covered. My major forte is verbal and logical reasoning. So yes, grammar being the pain point of many students, I thought the academic session should start with grammar, so that once these topics, the basic topics are through, then you can move further with the different error types. So in the subsequent lecture, we will talk about clauses and phrases. I'll see you soon.